Applying statistical tools for analysis. Descriptive statistics. In descriptive statistics, there are three types. Measures of central tendency. Learn how to calculate and interpret the mean, median, and mode to summarize the central location of your data. Measures of dispersion. Understand standard deviation, variance, and range to quantify the spread and variability in your dataset. Visualizations. Leverage histograms, box plots, and scatter plots to effectively display and communicate descriptive statistics. Now learn about inferential statistics. Hypothesis testing. Learn how to formulate null and alternative hypotheses and conduct statistical tests to draw conclusions about population parameters. Confidence intervals. Understand how to construct and interpret confidence intervals to quantify the uncertainty around sample estimates. ANOVA and t-tests. Explore techniques for comparing means between groups and determining statistical significance. Let's learn about regression analysis. Simple linear regression. Understand the fundamental concepts of linear relationships and how to model a single predictor variable. Multiple regression. Learn how to incorporate multiple independent variables to build more complex predictive models. Model evaluation. Explore techniques to assess the goodness of fit, statistical significance, and predictive power of regression models. Conclusion and key takeaways. Data-driven insights. Statistical tools empower you to transform raw data into meaningful, actionable insights that can drive better decision-making. Informed decisions. Applying these techniques can help you make more informed, evidence-based decisions to achieve your business objectives. Competitive advantage. Mastering statistical analysis can give you a competitive edge by allowing you to uncover hidden trends and patterns in your data.